The Corris Railway was built in 1858, a large part of it following alongside the second turnpike road through the Dilys Valley. All was well until it reached a sharp bend over a stream at Pont Goedwig. This created problems for the railway and later modern road traffic. In 1980, the old bridge was demolished by the Highway Authority and the road straightened, removing the old railway track bed in the process. There followed a long period of negotiations until the railway was eventually able to obtain planning permission to build a new deviation to overcome the problem. In 2012, the railway started building Phase 1. By 2016, work had been completed at the two ends of the project, leaving the central section to be tackled. This comprises a new bridge to extend the new highway culvert, Phase 3, and an approach embankment, Phase 4. The new bridge will have to be built by contractors approved by the Highway Authority and will be a separate contract. With the sudden availability of a source of suitable fill at half the cost of that obtainable nearby, work commenced on Phase 4, the approach embankment, just as the coronavirus pandemic hit in March 2020. The first thing to be built was a gabion wall to retain the new embankment. The gabions had to be filled and packed by hand, some of which was carried out by volunteers who lived within a 5 miles radius. After this, we could fill the area behind in layers, each being compacted before the next layer was added. At the base is a drainage cum foundation layer of coarse stone, then a geotextile sheet to separate the stone from general fill of suitably graded material. The edge of the new construction has to be stepped into the steeply sloped existing ground to ensure that it does not slip in the future, thereby complicating construction. This is one of the first lorries able to discharge its load direct onto the new embankment. Since these pictures were taken, the embankment has been raised about a further 2 meters in places. Work has now stopped for the winter, but will resume as soon as drier weather conditions allow. As soon as we are able, we will lay track on the new embankment so that once again trains will operate up the 1 in 30 Maespyth bank, as we are going to show here on a special working on the completed Phase 1 of the project. Please support us to help finance an early conclusion to this work.